You meet body repair shops because something happens to your vehicle. And a couple of summers ago, I had a situation where my vehicle got hit by another one, which at the time I was driving a small vehicle, and the vehicle I got hit by in this parking lot was not a small vehicle, so it completely trashed the side of my car. ICS and James Wilson were an easy, immediate selection for who to call. When you're in a situation where you're trying to figure out insurance, rental vehicles, navigating what car shop to take your vehicle to, things like that, it's a huge serendipitous breath of fresh air to have somebody like James Wilson spearhead the whole thing for you. He was able to not only take the car that I had and help me figure out the steps to get things addressed properly, but I knew that I was going to be getting proper and safe repairs, which they are all about safe and proper repairs. So that was one of the reasons that I was interested in working with them, because when you know that that's somebody's commitment, getting to see that in person makes a huge difference. And the entire situation, stressful and frustrating as it was, made it eons better. I think a lot of times when people get into a situation where they're dealing with a repair shop, be it mechanical, body, etc., it's difficult to feel like you're anything more than just the next job or a dollar sign. With ICS, my experience and the way I felt the entire time was a valued customer, that they wanted to make sure that this was done correctly. I would 100% every time, hands down, recommend ICS. And very simply put, it's because they don't just preach about being safe and proper repair oriented, they do it. And it makes a difference when you've got professionals that actually do what they say they're going to do. They convinced me and then they demonstrated it. So if that's what you're looking for, that's what you get.